Take a moment to pause whatever you're doing. You've arrived here for a reason. In just 5 minutes, you're going to feel lighter, calmer, and more focused. Right now, all that matters is this moment. Let's begin your journey to stillness. Find a comfortable position, whether you're sitting, lying down, or even standing. Close your eyes gently. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment, and now exhale through your mouth slowly. Feel the weight of your body grounding you, connecting you to the earth. Let's do that again. Breathe in deeply and exhale. With every breath, imagine tension leaving your body. As you continue breathing, picture yourself standing at the edge of a calm lake. The water is smooth and reflects the colors of the sky like a mirror. With each breath, imagine ripples gently moving across the surface. These ripples represent your worries and stress, slowly fading away into the distance. Take a moment to feel the peace around you and within you. Now, silently repeat after me. I am calm. I am centered. I am in control. Breathe in those words. Feel their truth resonate deep within you. I am open to clarity. I trust in the process of life. Let these affirmations fill you with confidence and peace. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your physical body. Feel the surface beneath you, supporting you completely. Wiggle your fingers, your toes, and notice how your body feels now. Lighter, calmer, and more at ease. Take a moment to reflect on this peaceful state. This calmness you've created isn't just here for this moment. It's always within you, ready to be accessed whenever you need it. Now, as you open your eyes, do so slowly, with intention. Notice the light, the colors around you, the space you occupy. Take one final deep breath in and exhale completely, letting go of any remaining tension. Remember, every time you pause to connect with yourself like this, you're nourishing your mind, body, and spirit. Carry this energy with you throughout your day, and know that you can return to this practice whenever life feels overwhelming. Thank you for sharing these moments with me. Be kind to yourself, and may your day be filled with peace and clarity.